Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful 8-petal flower for beginners. You can use it on different baby projects. So for this flower, I am using a 4 mm steel crochet hook size and a 3-ply crystal yarn. Leave 8 to 9 inches long yarn strand to join bead in the center of flower. Then make a slip knot. Now with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. So after making 8 chains, go into the very first chain and make a slip stitch into it. Now we would work into this ring of chain. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as a triple crochet stitch, which is also called a treble crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times. Go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops and then through last 2 loops. This is our triple crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn twice again, go into the ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2, then through other 2 and then through other 2 to make a triple crochet stitch. This is our triple crochet 4. Then make triple crochet 5 into the ring, including the first 4 chains. So now we have a set of 5 triple crochet stitches. Now pull this yarn, remove the crochet hook, take this crochet hook into the 4th chain, then take the loop back on the hook and pull it through 4th chain. This is called a popcorn stitch. Now pull it from the ring and make 2 chains. Now we would start making second popcorn stitch. So make triple crochet 1, then make triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4 and then triple crochet 5. So after making 5 triple crochet stitches, pull the yarn a little bit, remove the crochet hook, go into the very first triple crochet stitch right here, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch to make a popcorn stitch. Now make 2 chains, adjust these popcorn stitches and make triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4 and then triple crochet 5. After making 5 triple crochet stitches, pull the yarn again, remove the hook, go into the first stitch, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch to make a popcorn stitch like this. In this way we would make 8 popcorn stitches by adjusting them with the help of hands in this ring. So I have made 8 popcorn stitches plus chain 2 in this ring. Now in the last make chain 2 and now we would work between space of these popcorn stitch joining. So go into this space of joining these stitches by a popcorn and make a slip stitch into it. Now we would make petals. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, we would work into the chain 2 space. So in this chain 2 space right here, make triple crochet 1, then triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, and then triple crochet 4, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, and we would make a slip stitch now again at the top of this popcorn stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 again. Start working into the next chain 2 space between the popcorn stitches. Make treble crochet or triple crochet 1, then triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3 and triple crochet 4. After making 4 triple crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, and again we would make a slip stitch into this popcorn stitch. 2 petals are ready. In the same way we would make 8 petals in every chain 2 space. Now in the end, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, and we will make a slip stitch into this very first popcorn stitch from where we have started working. So make a slip stitch into it and then pull the yarn. Cut this yarn end with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle, and with this starting yarn end join a bead in the center with the help of this needle. So with the help of needle I have joined bead and have woven the yarn end, and flower is ready. You can just use this flower on baby caps or other crochet baby frocks or dresses. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to get latest updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.